Hi there, Paul Messina, finance manager and loan officer with Red House Lending here in Great Falls, Montana. Welcome to our first episode of the Monday Mortgage Minute. Each week, I'll break down what's happening in financial markets, how it impacts mortgage rates and housing, and what it means for real estate agents, investors, current and future homeowners. The goal is to keep everyone informed and ready to make smart real estate and lending decisions. Since we're broadcasting from Big Sky Country, here's a fun fact. Montana has nearly 3 times as many cows as it does people. So when we're talking about wide open spaces and wide open opportunity, we absolutely mean it. Let's get into the data. Last week's data showed more signs of a cooling labor market. ADP reported 42,000 new jobs in October, one of the smallest gains in the fiscal year. With the Fed shutdown, however, delaying the official government reports from the BLS, it's relying on private data from companies like ADP and Revelio Labs, all of which are concerning as they show rising layoffs and weaker hiring trends. Job openings are now at their lowest level since 2021. Despite that slowdown, Fed officials remain cautious about inflation. A rate cut in December looks unlikely, which remember that was the dissenting opinion of the Kansas City Fed president. Mortgage-backed securities, 30-year notes are holding steady with a 50-day average. The 10-year Treasury yield sits at about 4.06%. That keeps the average 30-year conventional fixed mortgage rate around 6% to 7.1%, depending on credit, down payment, and individual scenarios. So here's the takeaway. With volatility building and key reports delayed, now's the time for buyers and homeowners to review their strategy and consider locking their rate before new data arrives that will cause these rates to skyrocket. Real estate agents should connect with pre-approved clients and get them to act while payments and pricing remain predictable. Basically, the early bird gets the worm. If you're serious about home ownership, you're serious about home buying, if you're serious about saving money on refinancing, reach out to your local loan officer or give me a call. Thanks for joining me for this week's Monday Mortgage Minute. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'm going to see you guys next week.